house. It's a wonderful Friday evening, a blustery Friday evening. I'm out here because I'm antsy and nothing around the house that I should be doing was holding my fancy. And you know, I can't work on the army truck in the rain, and I can't do that gas tank in the rain, so let's put some insulation up, clean up this mess. I've got the little pocket-sized tornado tearing down some walls and stuff in here. Keeps him occupied. It's good, healthy outlet for a young man's energy. But yeah, we're just fire's lit, music's on, the smell of rats in the air, so let's put some insulation up. And at this point I'm doing it to get rid of it. I mean, the original plan was this, then an inch and a half of rigid fiber, not fiberglass, styrofoam, but no. So I'm just going to put the ceiling tiles up until they're all gone, and that's some used rigid styrofoam insulation, so we might put it up till it's all gone, but no, it's not getting sheetrocked. It's not until we have a use for the place. And at the moment, this is just the future wood shop where Shay's working. Will probably be where the dust collector goes to keep it quiet. Put the runs around the outside edge. I can go down through the floor and come up and grab the table saw, and everything else will go off the edges. So, you got anything to add?
And they did big nails to use. You see what I was pulling with the crowbar?
Yeah, I sure did.
I could not get that because they just went in with deep. It's deep. I need some help pulling
Big
that.
nails. It's amazing how little gets done. Oh, I got that up and over, and that's really about it. I got the last box. That's not it. There, I got the last box of ceiling tiles down. So when I'm out of that, I'm out of ceiling tiles. It'll be close to getting this room. If it gets this room, that's good enough for me. Let's go check on the crashing. Well, if you want me to help, you can't have a door that's blocked. What you working on?
Trying to get these doors up. And there's
Those doors lift up and slide out.
they do.
I think so.
They are holding. There's like 100. There's like screws in each slot.
No, I guess they don't lift up and fall out. I must have put it up there intact. Yeah? They're all straight blades, right? So we can't even power screw them.
Hand screwing it.
Yeah?
First ever.
See yourself on there? So, he got a whole bunch done. Got the old doors off. They're 5/8 plywood, 3/8 plywood with a 1/4 inch paneling glued on. I asked him not to take that one post out there.
I did that well.
He did that well. We've got the metal bars down from across. So this room is already for nothing because I just use it for storage. But somebody worked the whole time. He worked the whole time. Whole time. I didn't have to do anything. I hate fiberglass. You ready to go home?
No, not yet.
What do you want to do?
Try to get more of this closet down.
Okay.
And
We'll get the closet down. Then we'll go home. And then we'll have something to eat. We did fine today, huh?
yeah, but I want everything down from that closet tomorrow.
Slave driver. You want to tell him goodbye?